All right, the drink we're about to make is called Smeraldo. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass if you want to put some water and ice in there. Let it sit while you're making your drink, and it'll be nice and chilled when you're done. Okay, measure out 3/10 of an ounce of dry gin. Let's make sure we get that exact. There we go. Now 3/10 of an ounce of tropical fruit. And next I'll add 1/10 of an ounce of cointreau and 1/10 of an ounce of peach nectar. Okay. And if you feel like you don't quite have enough alcohol there, which is how I feel right now, I'm going to add a little bit of extra gin. All right. Now let's shake it up really well. Get it nice and cold, get everything mixed together. And pour out your ice water. Grab your strainer, and we'll pour it in. All right. And that is a Smeraldo. Bottoms up.